Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add Instagram to Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, we need to open Shopify App Store. So type here shopify.com/apps and search here Insta feed and hit enter. And here you will get this app, InstaFeed, Instagram Feed by Mint Studio. So open this app and click on Add App. And now choose an Shopify account and now click on Install App. So here we can see the app has been successfully installed, and now click on connect an Instagram account and make sure you have signed in into your Instagram account. And now click on allow. So here you can see my Instagram has been added here, and now you can add a feed title here. And here you can see image spacing 0. To set image spacing, simply increase the value, and on image click open pop-up, show product, open Instagram, do not nothing. I'm going to selecting here open pop-up, and layout you can select here slider or grid, and you can change the rows, columns, and then click on save. And after that, go to your online store and click on customize. And select the page where you want to add the Instagram, and then click on add section, and here you will find this Instagram app, so click on it. So here you can see the Instagram has been added. Now click on save, and here you can see I have successfully connected my Instagram with my Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.